Fáilte chuig Rang Gaeilge, your go-to Irish grammar website. Today we're going to look at the Modh Ordaitheach. This is used for giving orders to one or more people in Irish. For the iver uha of the Modh Ordaitheach, or when giving orders to just one person, we simply use the root or phrase of the brief. For example, brustig, hurry, or éist, listen. For the iver ulra, or to give orders to more than one person, there's a little bit more to it. For Latin verbs with shulla awan, we add a, I, g, I, father to the root of the verb, like shulagi, walk. And for quail verbs with shulla awan, we add I, g, I, father to the root of the verb, such as rihigi, run. For Latin verbs with Gaeilge, we add a, I, father, g, I, father to the root of the verb. For example, brustigi, hurry. For quail verbs with Gaeilge, we add I, father, g, I, father to the root of the verb. Just as you'd expect with Irish though, there are a few exceptions to these rules. Here they come. For one syllable verbs that end with a father il or a father in, we drop the I and use the appropriate ending for the iver ula. Mar hampla, sáfal, sáfal. In one syllable verbs that end with igh, we replace this with ig I father for more than one person, like nigi, clean. For two syllable verbs that end with ail, il, ain, in, aior, ior, ais, or is, we drop the ai or I part and replace it with either ai father, gi father, or I father, gi father, depending on the Lahan, la Lahan, quail, la quail rule. For example, Gaeilge goes to Gaeilge, tie, agus sin. If you haven't already, do check out www.wronggaeilge.com for a downloadable 10-point summary, activity questions and answers on this topic, and much, much more.